Hi everyone, welcome to Quietly Crafted, and also welcome to Cozy Season. So, for today's episode, we're just gonna do a crochet along on a scarf that I've been working on lately. So this consists of the V puff stitch. Alright, so I'm going to insert my hook here, and I'm just going to show you how I would do this. So I would yarn over one, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull your hook up. That's one. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and that's your two. And then yarn over, insert your hook, and then yarn over again, and you have three. Then yarn over again. You want to pull that loop through all the other loops and the one at the end, and then yarn over and pull through in the loop just like that. So that's your first puff. Now I'm going to just move aside this just to make sure that everyone sees how I did it. So let's try this again. We are gonna yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull on your yarn. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull. That's your second. And yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull one more time. And yarn over one more time. And then take that loop, insert it through or pull through all the loops that you have, including the one at the end, and then yarn over and pull through to close that puff. So here we are. So I've been working on this one for quite some time after seeing this in the internet. And I'm gonna do a chain one and start from here. Well, because I love learning all the different stitches out there. And of course, I'll drop it in the comments on the person who I learned this from and got the inspiration. Because of course, as someone who loves to, or someone who is curious about certain things, you know that it's not it's not restrictive if you just want to learn. It's not like you are not allowed to learn. No, learning is for everybody. Learning is a language to get to know about certain things. And also, I've been working on other things, such as learning a couple languages, and of course, learning more about myself. Because if we don't keep learning, then how are we supposed to know about what goes around in our world today? I would not even know about 6-7. That's a recent thing. But anyway, if we all stop learning, then we would not be able to make that significant impact, if you know what I mean. It's okay to learn new stuff. It is great to learn new things. Read a book. Read different journal articles, read about scientific articles, watch other YouTube videos about crochet or do-it-yourself videos, because you never know that something may come useful, you know? Earlier this year, I was learning about about opening up a business because I do want to open a business one day, especially with handcrafted items. So that's just in the works for now. But of course, I want to keep an open mind with everything, and I'm always curious on what is out there, you know? If I'm not that curious, then I would just be stuck in a bubble, and I would just do all the things that I'm used to. Sometimes it's okay to break routine, and something that I need to do in life is sometimes I need to break off plans. I'm the type of person that once you plan something with me, there is no room or not even an allowance to make any changes. You need to allow change in your life, or else how are you supposed to get to where you need to be? So for my personal life, I'm going to invest in things that matters to me. Aside from crochet, I love to read, I love photography, I love to explore, I love adventure, I love exploring. So my advice to you, my crochet squad, keep exploring, stay curious, and don't hold yourself back in trying into new things, because, well, you never know what you are trying. One brief story though is that I went skydiving, and that was on my bucket list. It's for the books. I was so scared, but you know what? I had to do it, and I did. Well, if this helped you and inspired you to stay curious, like and subscribe for more crochet-alongs. Until next time, keep crafting quietly.